Hey guys, welcome to a new video, you guys. Guys, it has been a minute. Guys, I am so busy. It is exam time. Kuningi guys, nje wishy kuningi, but I'm like, you know what? Let me squeeze. My girl is here. Eating bas squeeze nje kulesi schedule sami si busy. So today I am back with Dubai perfumes, guys. Guys, niyazazi Dubai perfumes. Guys, niyazazi, the perfumes that last longer. I don't want to talk about the smell, guys. I don't want to talk about the smell. Guys, I so wish I have known about these perfumes. Like, kudala, guys. Because what is this? What is this, guys? I'm so obsessed, you know. So, guys, let's quickly get into this video. I hope you guys are watching Sia's videos. I hope you guys are subscribed to Sia's channel. I hope you guys are here to stay, period. Thank you. Bye, baby. So our first perfume, guys, it is Kwisa. I don't know how to pronounce this. I'm not sure whether it's Kwisa, but let's open it, guys. Let's open this perfume, guys. Ooh, guys, I'm a goosebumps goosebumps. Look at the packaging, guys. This is a very beautiful packaging, guys. The packaging itself, it's so appetizing, guys. Look at it. You see? Okay. And then let's go on and open. Guys, this girl, guys. Look at this girl, guys. This girl, guys. Guys, I'm so obsessed already. Look at this girl, guys. Guys, I love cute things. Just the way it is just packaged, guys. Yo, it's already it sold my heart. It just sold my heart. Ooh, guys. Now, let's get to smell it. Guys, bathi ayikho lento yoba sithi xa sigqibo thuthuza sigqibe sithi but ayikho siyivape. Bathi siyivape siyathanda nje xa uza nento zethu ezintsha. Every time sinento zethu ezintsha kuthiwa ayikho sana. Oh guys, it smells sweet. Intimacy. Guys, le date night, guys. Date night. Uziphumele sana no bae wakho. It's so calm, guys. I hate perfumes that are so loud. Yo, I hate them. Shem, I don't like them. And one thing about me, guys, I like sweet smelling perfumes. That is me. I like sweet smelling, guys. I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm sweet. Maybe it's because the sweet in nature. Sweet. Now, guys, let's go to the second one. This is the second perfume that we'll be opening, guys. This perfume, it is Rev. Now Woman. Oh, AD perfume. Oh, guys, I'm not sure about the name of this perfume. I am just not sure about the name of this perfume. But let's open it, guys. Let's open it. Guys, this girl, whoever who was packaging Ama perfumes, Ama Dubai perfumes, guys, give that person a crown yakhe sana. I'm crowning penny flowers zakhe, because what is this, guys? What is this? The box itself, guys, it's giving quality. It's just giving quality, guys. That is so super nice. I love it. Look at it, guys. This girl is so protected, guys, because what is this, guys? What is this? Let's smell this girl now. So we need to spray it on a different place because we might end up not smelling this girl correctly. Let's go for this girl. Guys, let's give this girl a moment, guys. Let's give this girl a moment. Maybe guys, this girl smells sweet. And this girl, guys, look, it smells so classy. This one, I think I would wear it when I'm going to work, guys. now woman. Yes, I'm now a woman, okay? No more confusion. So guys, but I think I like this one more. But man, guys, I can't decide. But I think I like this one more, guys. I think I like this one more. So let's go for the third one now. The third perfume, it's Berries Weekend. Guys, the reason I bought these perfumes, it's because of this girl. It's because of this girl. Guys, ndive enye colleague yam inuka. I'm like, what is this? What is this? Which perfume did you use? And she was like, it is a Berries Weekend. And then she gave me like where she bought it. And guys, let's say less. Say less. Even though, guys, I don't like ukuba nento efana neyomunye umuntu okanye ukunuka njengomunye umuntu. Hence, I bought la amanye ama perfumes because I want to confuse the enemy sana. Ngizozifaka zonke so that ismell sakhona sididise nje singa-understandeki. So this is the main character, the main girl owenze uba ndithi I am going to the shops. I am just going to the shops to buy. So this is the girl, guys. The packaging, guys, it's out of this world. And they are so secured, guys. They are so super secured. Look at the packaging. Look at the packaging, guys. Guys, I die, okay? This is the packaging. Nice, cute, and also very demure, guys. So this is the girl. This is the girl, guys. This is the girl. So let's smell this one. I think let's change the hand, guys. Let me just spray on a different hand, ne? So that we don't confuse the smell. Guys, pink edition, Berry Weekend. You see, pink edition, Berry Weekend. This is, guys, one thing about me, the obsession about the packaging. Guys, ningazibona nithenga lento noba ikho right sana because of, what is this? This looks so cute. Yabo? This looks so cute again, sana. So let's smell it. This one, I think I would wear it when I'm going for lunch with the girls. This one is just for lunch with the girls. It smells very nice, but it's fruity-ish nyana, so fruity-nyana. This one is not that much sweet. It is, I don't know what it is giving, guys, but this one, it's giving I'm going out with my girls. I am just going out with my girls, okay? But this one, guys, but I still think that I'm still sticking to this one. I still love this one, guys. I think I still love this one. So now I have showed you these three. 1, 2, 3. Zingawi, guys. 1, 2, 3, and then, guys, let's go. Guys, let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Let's go. This one is so nice again, guys. This one is so nice again. Guys, I am so obsessed. I don't even want to lie with, like, to you, guys. So this one, guys, is the last one, the Yara. This one, I saw it from Umkosi. Yambona Umkosi with TikTok. Dibone from Umkosi with TikTok. This one, this Yara. Yo, I love it, sana. Hey, sana, this festival kuzoviwa ngami sana. Phelile ixesha lokunuka into enga-understandeki, confusion sana, umsizi, isinoma kanjani, iqhaphotsi, iqaqa, you don't know ukuthi umuntu unuka ntoni kanye. You just cannot get the smell. Ukuthi unuka ntoni, girl, unuka ntoni. I think this one is a famous one, guys. Everyone knows this one. The Yara one, I think everyone knows. Everyone has had her hands on this one, guys. So let's smell this girl. Let's smell this girl. So I'm telling her up again. Masimfake up this girl. Let's let this girl settle. This is the girl, guys. Ooh! The smell, guys. The smell, guys, I'm not even smelling it, but look at, yo, guys. I wish at this point I can just take you here, nizozinukisela, because it looked like I'm exaggerating matters. Ingathi ndiyayibaxa, guys. Ingathi ndiyayibaxa. I so wish at some point you guys can be just next to me and smell with me. Yo, guys, what is this? Guys, I've changed my mind. Girl, I am so sorry. I changed my mind, guys. I'm going for Yara. Yara, guys. Yara, guys. This one is giving. I am going for my first date, guys, with a billionaire. So I need to impress Umtsipe as possible. I need to impress this person. This person I do not know. And this person is moneyed. So I need to leave my signature to this person, guys. Run. In fact, guys, don't even run. Fly. Just fly to buy this one, guys. Fly for this one, guys. I am vouching for it, guys. The smell, guys. This one, it smells so elegant. It smells so matured. It smells so like a classy businesswoman. Oziqondayo ba wenza ntoni elifini, guys. Onemali yakhe na self, as much as eye kule first date efuna umuntu onemali, but unemali na self, akalambanga. Akalambanga, kanqanelwanga le mali yalo muntu, akalambanga. Akahebezeli. Ayingomuntu ongathi sanqanwe, calm, collected, knows her story. Just know your story. Okay, guys. It smells sweet, guys. I told you. All my perfumes will smell almost the same, but this one, it smells sweet, and it also smells like flowers or something of that nature, guys. But it smells so super dope, guys. This one, you won't go wrong. You won't go wrong, guys. If you are still deciding ukuthi ufuna uthenga ephi, this one is your girl. This one is your girl, sana. Yo. Hi, guys. Andifuna ukungatsho uba ndifuna uyiphinda, guys. Woo. Guys, don't be stingy. Don't be stingy with this thing. Just bath. Don't be stingy. Just bath, guys. And you will thank me later, guys. Guys, you know what? You know what? Ndifuna ukuthi xa ndigqitha, guys, abantu bajijitheke nam sana. Inhloko zibe ngathi sezikakhwela manzi. Abantu befuna ubona uba esi smell sibuyaphi. Esi smell sibuyaphi. Guys. And one thing ke sana about me, if akhange ndinconywe namhlanje, hayi sana sozuphinde ndibone ndiyifaka, but the fact that I have smelled it from my colleague, and kwakuzophuma isikolo ngelo xesha yabe isanuka, ndathi ngeke. But before I close off this vlog, I'm so used to vlogs. Before I close off this video, guys, ngizawubuya ne-review today because I'm going to work right now. Ndifuna ubona uba akho umuntu uzayinukisa na, akho umuntu uzawutsho uba inuka kanjani, akho umuntu uzawunotice uba ndifake i-perfume na. Then I will tell you guys. One thing about me, honesty over everything. So, guys, I also bought these two again, just for handbag. These ones, ne? These two. This one, I think it's also. Yeah, I think this one is this one, guys. It's the small kumntana walo le, kumntana wale now woman, ne? Kumntana can ndifuna for a handbag, you know me. And then this one is Miss Lavaine. Yeah, nanku ke Miss Lavaine. I like this smell because, guys, I have used both of them. These ones I've already used both of them, so I love them. Le ndiyithengela for imoto, ihlala isemotweni in case ndilibele ufaka ndifake sendisemotweni. And this one is for my handbag, guys, ukuthi xa ndidecide uba you know what, can ndithi fa. So let's smell this one, because this one I think we already know the smell of it. This one, let's smell this one. So ifaka phi ke ngoku, guys, le masifake up. Let's put it here. I love it, guys. I love it. Oh, guys, this one bendifake izolo. Yo, guys, ndingasanconywa ule, guys. I'm sure ndiyayazi because bendifakile izolo, guys, and people were asking about it. Omnye bede icela ndithi njani sisi uyayicela, that means nguwe kumele unuke kamnandi. Then mna mandizibone, mandinuke sunlight mna. Sana guys, yekeni lento yenu yocela ayikho cute. Umuntu xa enuka kamnandi okanye enxiba into enhle, ncoma suyifunela kuwe. Suba nomrhobholo, suhwaphiliza. Or else ubuze uba uyithenge phi, uhambe uyozithengela yakho. So mna mandithini ke ngoku, mandishiyeke ndibambelele isandla esineneni ndingazazi uba mandithini, mandithambise ntoni, because wena funeke uyitholile mna ndingayitholanga. Guys, no, yekeni lento yenu ayikho cute. Guys, this smells so nice. But now I think my nose are already blocked, guys. And sanukisi kakuhle. Yeah, I think my nose are already blocked. But hey, this one, it smells nice. But guys, more than anything, guys, I think my number one, it still goes for this one, for the Yara one. My number one. And then my number two, obviously this one is gonna be my number two, and then my number three, this one, and then number four, this one, and then number five, this one. So this one, guys, takes the trophy. This one takes the trophy, and then this one comes number two. So guys, I hope you did like our video. If you got up until this far, it means the video was popping, guys. So please don't forget to leave your thumb up, and you must also don't forget to leave your comment. What do you think about these perfumes? If you have used these perfumes, when it's in air window, like, how do you feel about them? How do they smell? Do they last? All those type of things. Just comment below. Guys, I know for a fact these perfumes, they last longer. These are not just any ordinary perfumes that when you are leaving the door, they are leaving in different direction from your direction. These ones, they last, they go with you. These ones are not the shy perfumes when you get to people, like they just go back to the car. No, they don't. Azambi no moya ezi. I know. So guys, our Miss South Africa today, the one that takes the trophy is this one for me, guys. This one takes the trophy for me, guys. Guys, let me close off this video because I know now I'm just yapping and yapping, guys, because I missed you and I love you so much. With God's love never fails, guys. Love you so much. Mwah! Bye.